Hello, my dear students. I'm sure you might have enjoyed your vacations. Here we are going to start the online classes once again. This class I am going to take for the revision of chapter 1, that is rational number. Okay. So what are rational numbers? Rational numbers are all those numbers which are in the form of p upon q, where p and q are integers and q cannot be equals to 0. Then we studied in this chapter various properties of rational numbers, in which the first is closure property. What does closure property say? That if we are doing the sum, difference or the product of rational numbers, we are going to get a rational number only. Means if we are going to add two rational numbers, as I have added here in the case minus 3 by 5 and 7 by 6, so I am getting plus 17 by 30, which is also a rational number. Similarly, I subtracted minus 3 by 5 and minus 7 by 6, I got minus 53 by 60, which is also a rational number. And thereafter minus 3 by 5 and 15 by 21, on multiplication I got plus 3 by 7. So here we could conclude that rational numbers are closer in sum, difference and product, while in division two rational numbers does not produce a third rational number. Like you can see that minus 3 by 5 divided by 0 is not defined. So here we are not getting a rational number. Then commutativity. The next property is commutativity. What commutativity says? That the order of rational number in sum and product is not making any difference, while in difference and division it makes impact. Here I have taken few examples, like a plus b and b plus a is same, and a into b and b into a is also same, while a minus b is not same as b minus a, and a divided by b is also not same as b divided by a. Here I have taken few examples. You can understand with the help of those examples very well. And we understand that commutativity is there in rational number in addition and multiplication only. In division and subtraction, commutativity is not there. Okay. Next of our property is associativity. What does associativity means? That if we are adding three rational numbers or multiplying three rational numbers in groups, let us multiply them in any group, the result is going to remain same. अगर हम उनको तीन रेशनल नंबर को किसी भी ग्रुप में ऐड करेंगे, ग्रुप बनाकर, तो आंसर सेम ही आएगा. While in subtraction and division the answers will be different. So associativity is there in rational number in addition and multiplication and not in subtraction and division. I have taken the examples minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus 5 by 6. So here I have added 3 by 5 and 5 by 6 in first group and minus 2 by 3 later on. Similarly, in the second case I have added minus 2 by 3 and 3 by 5 in first and 5 by 6 later on. The result in both the cases will be same. And the same thing I have done in multiplication. Minus 2 by 3 and 3 by 5 and 5 by 6 multiplied. So 3 by 5 and 5 by 6 are first of all multiplied in the group, and thereafter minus 2 by 3 is multiplied. While in the second case I have multiplied minus 2 by 3 and 3 by 5 first and 5 by 6 later on. The results are going to be same. But this is not going to remain same in the case of subtraction and division. So rational numbers are not associativity is not there in rational number in subtraction and division. Now we studied role of 1. What is role of 1? That if we multiply any rational number by 1, the answer is going to remain the same rational number. So it is called the multiplicative identity of the rational number. Role of 0. What is role of 0? That if we multiply anything by 0, the answer will be 0. So 0 is called the additive identity of the rational number. And if we add 0 to any rational number, the rational number is going to remain same. That is why it is called additive identity. I should have added 0 here. So a plus 0 and 0 plus a will be a. You write it correct? A plus 0 and 0 plus a. Mistakenly I have written here a into 0. Okay. The next thing which we understood in this chapter was negative or additive inverse of a rational number. How to get additive inverse of a rational number? So to get additive inverse of a rational number, first of all, if there are more than one rational numbers are in some operation, we should solve that operation, and thereafter the end result should be converted into additive inverse. Additive inverse is simply the opposite sign, negative of a rational number. 7/3 का additive inverse minus 7/3 और minus 7/3 का additive inverse plus 7/3. Simply, nothing else. कुछ भी नहीं करना, साइन चेंज कर देना है बस. रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ और मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ अ मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स. तो मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ माइनस 7/3 विल बी माइनस 3/7. वी यूज टू डू एडिटिव रेसिप्रोकल इन डिवीजन ऑफ फ्रैक्शन ना, सेम चीज़ है. न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर बना दीजिए, डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर. माइनस 7/3 विल बी माइनस 3/7 बट विद द सेम साइन. साइन सेम होगा. एडिटिव इनवर्स और मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स में यही डिफरेंस है. मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स में सेम साइन होगा और एडिटिव इनवर्स में साइन डिफरेंट होगा. मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ 7/3 विल बी 3/7. नाउ वन मोर प्रॉपर्टी वी स्टडीड इन दिस चैप्टर वॉज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिविटी ऑफ multiplication over addition and subtraction. So a into b plus c will be a into b plus a into c, and similarly a into b minus c will be a into b minus a into c. Now we will get the, in questions we will get the right hand side of distributivity of multiplication over addition. यानी हमें मिलेगा a into b plus a into c, और हमें उसे सॉल्व कैसे करना है कि a बाहर निकाल कर b प्लस c को पहले ऐड करना है या b माइनस c को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, एंड देन वी विल प्रोसीड फर्दर. वी हैव सॉल्व दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. आई हैव गिवन यू सम एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस आल्सो बेस्ड ओवर दिस प्रॉपर्टी. नाउ रिप्रेजेंटिंग रेशनल नंबर ऑन अ नंबर लाइन. व्हाट वाज देयर इन द सेकंड एक्सरसाइज? रिप्रेजेंटिंग रेशनल नंबर ऑन द नंबर लाइन. सो ऑल द प्रॉपर रेशनल नंबर विल लाई बिटवीन -1 एंड +1. अगर हमारे पास प्रॉपर रेशनल नंबर है, भले ही वो पॉजिटिव है या नेगेटिव, तो वो -1 से +1 के बीच में ही आएंगे. जैसा कि मैंने एग्जांपल लिया -3/5 + 4/5. दूसरी एक और बात, एक नंबर लाइन पर रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए सारे रेशनल नंबर्स के डिनोमिनेटर सेम होने चाहिए. अगर रेशनल नंबर्स के डिनोमिनेटर सेम नहीं है तो वी कैन नॉट रिप्रेजेंट देम ऑन द सेम नंबर लाइन. हैंस -3/5 + 4/5. वॉट आई हैव मेड, -1 से +1, पहले लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में -1, मिडल में 0 और राइट हैंड साइड में +1. देन व्हाट आई डिड, द डिनोमिनेटर इज 5. डिनोमिनेटर दोनों रेशनल नंबर्स का क्या है, 5 है. तो मैंने 0 से +1 के 5 पार्ट किए, 0 से -1 के 5 पार्ट किए, एंड ईच पार्ट इज़ 1/5. अगर हम पॉजिटिव की तरफ देखें तो 0 से पहला नंबर 1/5, दूसरा 2/5, तीसरा 3/5, चौथा 4/5 और पांचवा +1 यानी 5/5. सो प्लस का 4/5 हमें रिप्रेजेंट करना था. तो यू कैन सी द सर्कल. सिमिलरली लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में चले 0 से नेगेटिव में, तो फर्स्ट वन इज़ -1/5, देन -2/5, देन -3/5, देन -4/5 एंड -1 इज़ -5/5. Here I have to represent -3/5, so it is, the circle you can see is -3/5. Now let us talk about improper rational number. Improper rational numbers are greater than +1 and smaller than -1 every time. Greater than +1 and smaller than -1. So we will convert these all the improper rational number first of all into mixed rational numbers like minus 10 by 7 and plus 13 by 7, and that condition is still same कि denominator same होना चाहिए. तो this time the denominator is 7. माइनस 10 by 7 को रिप्रेजेंट किया तो आया माइनस 1:3 by 7, और 13 by 7 को किया तो 1:6 by 7. So both are, the positive one is greater than 1 and the negative one is smaller than -1. तो -2 से लेकर +2 तक मैंने ये रेशनल नंबर लाइन बनाई है. -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. ओके, अब दोनों ही रेशनल नंबर्स -1 के बाद और +1 के बाद हैं. तो -1 से +1 तक मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया. 1/7, 2/7, 3/7, 4/7 ऐसे लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं. अब व्हाट आई विल हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट, -1 के बाद 3/7. तो -1 के बाद मैंने लिखना शुरू किया 1/7, 2/7, 3/7, और ये -3/7 हो गया मेरा माइनस का 10/7. सेम थिंग आई हैव डन द पॉजिटिव साइड. +1 तक कुछ भी नहीं किया. उसके बाद 1/7, 2/7, 3/7, 4/7, 5/7, 6/7, और 6/7 होगा प्लस का 13/7. ओके, सो the next and last thing which we studied in this chapter was to find the rational number between the given rational number. given rational number के बीच में rational number निकालना. एक एग्जाम्पल से मैंने आपको समझाया है. फाइंड 5 rational number between -2/3 and +3/4. So first of all we will have to make their denominator same. Or how we will make them? By simply taking LCM. तो denominator are 3 and 4, LCM of 3 and 4 will be 12. तो -2/3 को 12 बनाना है. So I have multiplied numerator and denominator by 4. So it has become -8/12. और +3/4 को 12 बनाना है डिनोमिनेटर को, तो मैंने मल्टीप्लाई किया 3 से, तो ये बन गया प्लस का 9/12. वैसे तो -8/12 और +9/12 के बीच में ऑलरेडी 5 से ज़्यादा रेशनल नंबर है. लेकिन कभी अगर रेशनल नंबर नहीं मिले तो फिर यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई बोथ दीज सिमिलर डिनोमिनेटर्स, जिनके डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो गए, दीज रेशनल नंबर्स बाय एनी ऑफ द टेबल. मैंने यहाँ 10 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो आई गॉट -80/120 एंड +90/120, एंड देन आई हैव रिटन 5 rational numbers between these: -79/120, -77/120, 0, because 0 is also a rational number, then 1/120 and 89/120. So this way, this was all in chapter 1. You all have revised it. I have given few homework questions also. Here I have given 5 questions to you. All of you will solve these questions and will send it to me by today evening. All those students who will not send it to me by today evening, tomorrow I am going to call their parents so that you could watch and could cope up with the syllabus. Okay, have a nice day, take care and finish off your homework.